Meron akong magandang business idea, a good concept na I feel will work. Kaya lang, kulang ako ng kapital. Gusto ko na may mag-partner sa akin. Bring in the money and I will make the business work. Now, I tell you, don't do that because eventually, yung partner mo will realize that he has taken a big risk. Because business ideas don't necessarily mean that it will work, no matter how good the idea is. Kasi ang business really depends not on the idea, but your ability to execute to make the idea work. Now, prove yourself first that you can execute that idea. Make it work and start to scale. And makikita mo, if the business idea that you thought will work, which you have proven to work, produces cash flow, then you will see that people will offer you capital to invest in your business. That is the right time for you to accept capital. But then, if you do that, yung business idea pa lang, and then you invite people to invest in you, chances are, masisira lang yung pangalan mo. Pangalagaan mo yung pangalan mo kasi there will be more opportunities for you. Kasi pag sinira mo yung pangalan mo, no more opportunity for you, for people to invest in your business. Sisirain mo lang yung pangalan mo. Don't do that.